Finding a wasp nest on your boat can turn a relaxing day on the water into a high-stakes safety hazard. Because boats often sit undisturbed in marinas or on trailers, they provide the perfect sheltered environment for paper wasps, yellow jackets, and mud daubers. I'll tell you what to do in 10 seconds.
Hi, it's Alan, and I sure hope you're enjoying our latest video. If you are, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We really need your support, and it doesn't cost you anything.
The primary danger isn't just the sting, it's the operational hazard. If a wasp emerges while you are navigating at high speed or docking, the natural reflex to swat can lead to a loss of control, collisions, or passengers falling overboard. Furthermore, boats are confined spaces. Unlike on land, you can't easily run away. This is particularly life-threatening for those with allergies, as medical help may be miles across open water. Finally, wasps cause mechanical damage. Mud daubers love to build clay nests inside engine intakes and cooling vents, which can cause overheating or engine failure at critical moments. This calls for a tactical removal. Removing a nest from a boat requires more planning than a backyard job. Use these steps to handle it safely. Timing is everything. Always attempt removal at night or at dawn. Wasps are less active in cooler temperatures, and you'll likely catch the whole colony at once. Wear the right gear. Wear thick layers and tuck your pants into your socks. Avoid bright white flashlights, which agitate them. Use a red light filter, as wasps cannot see red light well. For marine environments, a foaming spray is superior to a liquid stream. The foam expands to trap the wasps and reduces chemical runoff into your bilge or the surrounding water. Not recommended by me is the CO2 method. For sensitive areas, like engine compartments where you want to avoid oily pesticides, a CO2 fire extinguisher can be used. The blast of cold gas freezes the wasps instantly, allowing you to scrape the nest into a bucket. Many sprays are toxic to aquatic life. If your boat is in the water, use a drop cloth to catch drips and debris. Many boaters swear by tucking scented dryer sheets into crevices to discourage nesting, proving that not even insects can stand that smell. And finally, the fake nest myth. Don't rely on decoy nests. They rarely trick territorial wasps into staying away. Regular inspections. During peak summer, check your boat every few days. It is much easier to knock down a marble-sized starter nest than a fully formed colony. Have you had wasps on your boat? What did you do? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.